Students, welcome in General Knowledge, Book 5. Here is lesson number 7, General Topics. So in that, learn and remember. Here are some common abbreviations. Abbreviations used in study of language. Means here are some abbreviations which are used in study of language. Here first one is AM. AM is ante-meridian, means before noon. Then PM. PM is post meridian, after noon. Then BC, before Christ. AD, AD is Anno Domini, in the year of the Lord. DR, already you know very well, that is DR, doctor. IC, IC means in charge. MR, MR means Mr. or master. Then MRS, that is mistress. ST, ST, saint. SR, senior. JR, junior. EG, we are using it always, UG. EG, it is exempli grantia. ETC, it is etc. It means and the others and so forth. That is, this IE. This IE is edist. It means that is. NB, this small nb also we can use, that is nota bene. It means note well or take notice. Next one is viz. It is VIZ. So it is videlicet, namely. REV. It is reverend. EXT, extension. Then PTO. Already you are using this word PTO. It is please turn over. Then FR. FR, it is for father. ASST, it is for assistant. OK. This is also mostly used letter. It is all correct. That means all right. This is C/O. This is also we are using always, that is care of. CO, company. MS, it is manuscript. Then AC, account. Here are some abbreviations used for some nations, groups of nations, international organizations. First one is ASEAN. Okay, it is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Then Benelux, it is Belgium, the Netherlands and Luxembourg. Next one is EEC, European Economic Community. Next one is NATO, NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Then OPEC, or you can say OAPEC, Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries. Then next one is OPEC, OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Now SA, South Africa. Now next one is SAARC, South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation. Or next one is UAE, United Arab Emirates. UCAR, that is Union of Central African Republics. Next one is UK, United Kingdom. Then UNO, United Nations Organization. US, United States. USA, United States of America. WI, West Indies. Now here are some miscellaneous abbreviations. AI, that you know very well, Air India. AIR, All India Radio. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. Then BSF, Border Security Force. CID, yeah, correct, you are watching, Criminal Investigation Department. CRPF, Central Reserve Public Force. Then IAF, Indian Air Force. IAS, Indian Administrative Service. Now here it is Interpol, It is International Police. Next one, INSAT or INSAT also you can say, that is Indian National Satellite. IPS, Indian Police Service. LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation. MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. Next one is MP. MP is Member of Parliament. Now see this next one, NCC, National Cadet Corps. ONGS, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Then PIN, 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 Postal Index Number. PTI, it is Press Trust of India. PWD, Public Works Department. Okay, you have to remember all these abbreviations. CBI, that is Central Bureau of Investigation. Then RMS, RMS is Railway Mail Service. Okay. Then VIP, VIP that you know very well. You are using it always. Yes. Very important person. VPP, Value Payable Post. Now here are some books and authors. Here this side names of books are there, and here this side authors are there. See here, name of the first book is Aesop's Fables. Author is Aesop. Then Alice Adventure in Wonderland. Author is Lewis Carroll. Then Panchatantra. Panchatantra, you are using it. You are reading that, I know. Who is the author of that? Vishnu Sharma. Name of the next book is Arthashastra. Who is author of that? Kautilya. That is Chanakya. Then David Copperfield. Author is Charles Dickens. Then Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Then Gitanjali. Who is the author of Gitanjali? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Letters from a father to his daughter, Jawaharlal Nehru. Now next book is My Experiments with Truth, Mahatma Gandhi. Next one is Meghdut, which is written by Kalidas. Ramayana is written by Maharshi Valmiki. Next one is Ramcharitmanas. It is written by Tulsidas. Then Satyartha Prakash. Satyartha Prakash is written by Swami Dayanand. Here one more book of Charles Dickens. It is Pickwick Papers. Bhagavad Gita is written by Maharshi Ved Vyas. Mahabharata, it is written by also Maharshi Ved Vyas. Yes. Gulliver's Travels. Gulliver's Travels, it is written by Jonathan Swift. Then Godan. Godan is Munshi Premchand. Then Robinson Crusoe. It is written by Daniel Defoe. Then Sunny Days. Sunil Gavaskar. You know who is Sunil Gavaskar? Yeah, correct. It is he is cricketer. Next one. Next topic is trade names. See here, products are given here, names of that products. So baby food, by which name you heard baby food? Yes, Parex, Amul spray and Cerelac. Then ball pen. You can tell more names also. So which are names of ball pens? Reynolds, Rotomac, Adgel, Cello. You can add your names also here. Then biscuits, Parle, Britannia, Sunfeast, which are given here that. But you know more names, I know. Now here blade. Blade is Gillette, 7 o'clock, Topaz, Bus and Lorries. What are the names? Names are Baines, Ford, Ashok Leyland, Tata. Okay. Now camera, names of camera. See, Canon, Olympus, Kodak. Okay. Now clothings. Bombay Dyeing, Mafatlal, Gwalior Suiting, Raymond. Names of cycles. That names you know more than me. Hercules, Atlas, BSA, Hero. Then fan. Khetan, Orient, Crompton. Okay. Names of jeeps. What are the names of jeeps? Mahindra, armada, bolero, lift, that are elevators. What are that? How many are means names of that? Otis, Olympus, Excel. Okay. Ink, which you are using in your ink pen. What are that names? Waterman, camel, Chelpak. Then matches. Wimco, sheep, home lights. Mixers. Tell me some names of mixers. See here that are given. Sumit, Jyoti, Jaipan. Then motor cars. What are the names of motor cars? Indica, Innova, Benz, Santro, Maruti, Figo, and so many you can tell. I know. And motorcycles. Yamaha, Enfield, Hero Honda, TVS Suzuki. Okay. Now refrigerators. Godrej, Whirlpool, Samsung, Hitachi. I know you know more names than me. See here names of scooter, that are Bajaj, Kinetic, Honda, Vespa. Then shoes, Bata, Action, Nike, Liberty, Puma. Then you can tell names of soaps also. Yes, here these are given. Mysore Sandal, Pierce, Lux, Synthol, Lifebuoy. Okay. Then detergent powder. Here names are given. Surf, Nirma, Wheel, Ariel, Tide. Then soft drinks. Which are soft drinks? Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Limca, Thumbs Up, Mirinda. Then next one, talcum powder, Old Spice, Pond's, Synthol. Many you can tell. Okay. Toffee. Which toffees you eat? Which toffees you like more? Here names are given. Paris, Rawalgaon, Parle. Then toothpaste. Toothpaste names are given. Pepsodent, Bubble, Close Up, Colgate, Anchor. And here are last 3-4 names. Then toys. Leo, Fun School. Then TV sets. Sony, Videocon, Samsung, Sansui, Philips. Okay. Then here are tires that you know very well. MRF, Apollo, Seat, JK tires. Okay. Then washing machines also are given here. Videocon, LG, Whirlpool, IFB. And watches now last. Here are given Rolex, Omega, Titan, Citizen and Redo. And here are questions given in your book. What does each of the following abbreviations stand for? So you have to write for what that abbreviation stand. Okay, that is etc, etc. So you have to search and write. You have to complete this. See here, write the names of the authors of each of the following book. So here names of books are given, this side names of authors. Then complete the following statements. Means what way they are given? Khetan is a brand name of. You have to tell that is name of fan. So like that you have to complete this also. Here some fill in the blanks are there. And then match suitably. So here 2 sets of match the pairs are given. That also you have to complete. Then here 8th chapter, that is all time grades in some popular games. I am going to send photographs of this chapter, or you can take screenshot also. This is the 2nd page and this one 3rd page of that chapter, and this one is 4th. Then you have to complete this test yourself. You can take screenshot of this. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.